Welcome back everyone, Josh here with Angling Outings, and today we are going to be installing a rod holder to the John boat. We're also going to be going over a couple of different options to where you can hold your rods while in transport and on the water. So buckle yourself in and we'll be right back. It's Angling Outings with Josh and Cletus. Angling Outings is brought to you by our YouTube affiliates, Retro Backbeat and Josh and Joe Productions. On today's how-to section is how to install rod holders. Cletus isn't able to be with us today. He had to go to the foot doctor to have a corn removed from his foot. So it's just the two of us. Now, if you own a small boat, whether it's a John boat, a tiny boat, a bass buster, a pelican, a minnow, a sun dolphin, a small low, even a tracker like we have here, even a flat bottom flyer, you're going to know that in a smaller boat, you're going to be limited to space. So when you get to the point where you're going to put rods in your boat, a bag for snacks, a bag for drinks, a life vest, an anchor, a bucket to keep your fish in, even some toys, tools to make your fishing day a little bit easier and productive, you're going to find out that you're going to be losing some space. So today we are going to be doing one thing. So we're going to do one thing that's going to help you keep more space in your boat. Now, one of the more popular kind of rod holders in the last few years has been the tube style rod holders, and you can attach them to the front or the back side of your bench seat and hold your rods at a 90-degree angle. And you can also attach these to a milk crate for additional storage, or even your cooler for your drinks. There has been a lot of kayak fishermen use these on their kayaks. They can, you can customize these into fitting your kayak. So I'm pretty sure you can fit these into a small boat as well. And there is another kind of rod holder that you can get. You can attach it to the side of your boat, your starboard or port side, and have your rods run along the side of your boat. In that case, you're going to need to do some customized installation, some skill, and some usage with and some experience with some tools is going to be necessary for this, because you're going to have to drill some holes into the side of your bench seat, run some tubing through there to run the rods through it, and hook the reel section up to the rod holder that you would have placed on the side of your boat. Now, this can look customized, it can look very professional, it can look really nice, but it does require some skill and some intermediate project work experience to really pull this off and make it look nice. Now, the other kind of rod holders that there is the kind that's typically found on the decks of bass boats. It's the lockdown, the strap down, and even the kind with the little bungee cord. You can check these out anywhere online. Many manufacturers make these. There is a lot of like house brands and generic similar models to a strap and lock type rod holder. So do your homework, check reviews, shop around, see what's good for you and your boat and what's good for your recreation with fishing. That's all that's important, is you and your recreation. Now today we're going to be installing the Rod Saver rod holder. And Rod Saver has been around for many years, and they are very durable, they're high quality, and I have had these on previous boats that I've owned before, so I know for a fact that these are very high quality. And with some of the cheaper models, I have seen reviews saying that they they fade with the sunlight after so long. And from what I recall with the Rod Saver rod holders, they do not fade very quickly. I do not recall of them fading any at all after about 6 or 7 years. So for $16.49 off of Amazon, these are a really good rod holder. And as you can see, it says that it's a 12.6. It does come in different sizes. I believe it's an 8.4, a 12.6, and a 16.8 or something. Now, what these numbers are is the bigger number is the size of the strap that holds the reel side down, and the smaller number, which is the 6-inch, is going to hold the tip side down. So it's 12-inch and 6-inch. So let's get to install this, and let me show you how this works. All right, so let's open the package here and see what we got. There's the box, there's instructions, and this is angling outing, so we don't need no stinking instructions. This one here is the tip strap, so we're going to put this up here. This one here is the strap for the reel section. Okay, so we'll put it like right there. Okay, and these here are the screws that comes with it to screw them in. So we're going to pull these out. Take a look at these. And we're going to need to pre-drill the holes into the aluminum here. And when you deal with aluminum and any kind of sheet metal, I've said before on my videos, I do recommend titanium drill bits. Let's see which way it is to open it. And I've used these plenty of times in the last year, and they this here I got from our discount tool retailer, and it looks like there's sizes all the way from 1/16 of an inch to a 1/2 inch. So we're gonna, since I am pretty experienced with this, I don't need to look it up or anything. I can just take the screw here and look at the bit. So we're looking at probably the 3/32. Oh, not that one, this one here. Let's pull this out and take a look. Yeah, the 3/32 should be fine. So we're going to put that into our drill there, and just see exactly where we put these up. See exactly where we need to put this. Okay, so right about in there. So we do our first hole. See how well that went through there? That went through there better than your cousin Tracy in a cat fight at a trailer park. Okay, we're going to need a little bit bigger. We're stepping up our bit size here. There it is. And if you're not sure, it's always good to go small and then go big. No, we're still going to be looking a little bit bigger there. Holy moly. I know it can't be any bigger than this. All right, that's the size, and that size is 11/64. So we're going to go ahead and there that goes. Go ahead and take this off. There we go. And we'll take another one here. Right there. Okay. Take our drill bit again here. We're going to pull this out and make it straight. There we go. All right, and there we go. Well, I hope this video was helpful in showing you how quick and easy it is to do an upgrade, such as installing rod holders. It's very simple, and it doesn't take much time at all. So, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, click the subscribe button. This will really help in our videos getting out to those who really need to see our videos for the education of this sport. It's free to subscribe. You can unsubscribe at any time, which I don't know why you would want to. So thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm Josh.